In Gandhian era, the last movement is left, that is the Quit India movement. Now, first thing is, what were the events leading to the movement? First is the resignation of the Congress ministries. Because Congress demanded that India must be declared free or at least have effective powers before it could actively participate in the Second World War. But the British government tried to put the religious minorities and princes against the Congress. So the Congress asked its ministers to resign. British government and Muslim League was very happy because maximum provinces in India were controlled by the Congress. Now the second point is August Offer. The international compulsions forced the British government and the British Indian government to seek some settlements or understanding or some schemes with the Congress. So on 8th of August 1940, August Offer was made, but it was rejected by Congress because no constitutional scheme was would be acceptable unless or until it was agreed to by the minorities. Means if the minorities are not satisfied, whatever the schemes would be made by the Congress, it will not be accepted. League rejected because it did not give a clear assurance for the establishment of Pakistan. Now comes causes. After the failure of August Offer, Lord Stafford Cripps was sent, and in Cripps' mission he gave some of the clauses that after the Second World War India would get the dominion status which was asked earlier. Then a constituent assembly would be set up to frame the Indian constitution, and they proposed also the interim government. Until the interim government is framed, the Indian leaders had to take an effective part in Viceroy Executive Council, and they also said that the defense of India would remain under the control of British government. Now all the clauses were not accepted by the Indians, whether it was Congress, League or Hindu Mahasabha or whatever the parties. So in this way, the Cripps mission failed because it did not bring the promise of independence in the near future, because here you can see no date is mentioned. Plan involved partitioning the country because it was clear that minorities, because importance is given, so India may be divided. The proposals were not accepted by Pakistan, same thing, because creation of Pakistan was not mentioned. Opposed by Congress, League, Sikh, Anglo-Indians, Christian as well as depressed classes. So this is the first cause for Quit India movement. Second is Japanese threat. Japan started invading all the nations which were occupied forcefully by the Britishers, and India was among them. So if we wanted our safety, so we had to be free from the Britishers. So Gandhiji believed that the presence of the British in India was an invitation to Japan to invade India. He asked the British to quit India. As usual, they denied. So the Quit India movement started on 9th of August. Now how it was launched? The Congress Working Committee adopted the Quit India resolution at Wardha in July 1942. The All India Congress Committee ratified it on 8th August 1942 at Mumbai, but the news leaked, and at the night only maximum of the leaders, they were imprisoned. Measures taken by the government became very brutal. They put down the movement with ruthless brutality. Gandhiji and other important leaders were arrested, and the Congress was declared illegal. Thousands of people were imprisoned without any trial. Women were insulted and humiliated. Children were beaten mercilessly. villages were looted and burnt. The government ultimately succeeded in crushing the movement in few weeks. So we can say it was a very, very short-lived movement, but a great impact it had. It demonstrated the depth of the national feeling in India and the capacity of Indians for struggle and sacrifice. Means they are ready to die for the freedom of India. It made it clear that the British would no longer find it possible to rule India against the wishes of the people of India. Means if the Indian people are not agreed, then they will not be ruled by the Britishers anymore. People of all sections of society participated in this movement. That is why it is also known as mass movement. So dear children, here the Gandhian era is over, and that you have to